Hello everyone, this is Imranli here, and today I'm going to talk about how to use Convertkit. And to use Convertkit, we need to understand what is Convertkit, right? So Convertkit is a full-featured email service provider. It was created by Nathan Berry, thanks to him. Its ease of use, automation, and other features. It's one of the fastest-growing email companies around. It's also offer customizable sign-up forms and landing pages to help bring in more email subscribers. So ConvertKit is a great use. Obviously, it's an easy to use and the support is great to email service provider for content creators. It also like offers lots of advanced features that will help build online business. So without wasting any more of time, let's get started. Obviously, you can see here says start your free trial. So I'm going with the free trial, and you can see right below start your free trial. 14 days free trial, no credit card required, cancel anytime, it's on you. All right, there are some other things like you can sell your digital products. I will tell you about that. Automate your marketing, I will tell you about that. And grow your audience, obviously. So let's just not waste any more time and start your free trial. I'm just going to log in, sign up with my new email ID just to show you how it works. So I'm just going to write it down, and I have read and agree to Convertkit terms of services and privacy policy. Let's get started. Come on. So here we are. Welcome. Where are you joining us from? So if you have used these kind of tools before, like ConvertKit tool, you need to tell ConvertKit yes, you have used it. But if you are new to this, you're going to use this one. I'm just going to go with that and continue. Tell your how big is your audience. So I'm just going with the like 1 to 1,000. Continue. Who are you? A YouTuber. Continue. And the last one, like you need to grow my list or send emails, or I just want to look around, like explore it to yourself. So I'm just going to explore it myself and continue. So once all of that done, you will land on this page. So once you are here, let me tell you something before going further. Uh, I'm going to tell you some things like people usually use with ConvertKit, because ConvertKit has so many features which has been used a lot, and I'm going to tell you about that especially. And you can see here on the top of the page, you will find multiple options: grow, send, automate, earn, learn. And on the right side, upgrade now, like you can upgrade your plan, settings of your account, or 14 days uh, remaining for your trial. So for the beginning purpose, I'm going add grow, and you find that browse all your subscribers and customers. When you have connected to to your YouTube, you will find a lot of things over here, and get the subscriber with the hosted landing page. Like you can create your own landing page over here, also on free trial. So you can also like check the analytics by parameters and everything else. Just go here on the bottom right, create new, and you will find forms and landing page. What are forms? I will show you. And what are landing page? Let's see right now. For the landing page, you will find this. You can send this like if I create this, obviously these all are templates. If I create this page, like uh, what we say, like I sell shoes, right? So I'm just gonna design every single thing. We can customize this everything. Obviously I'm not going to show here. You can just like preview it and check it out. And lastly, like you can edit everything over here. If I'm going to sell my shoes and I'm going to edit this, I'm going to send the page link to my subscribers to let them know about my new shoes I'm launching, or the discount offer I'm giving them. So this is what we are looking at here right now, and there are multiple options over here. You can preview them in free version, and you can also edit them in free version. So this is very huge for like ConvertKit is allowing you to do that. And you can find a mobile version also here, like how it will look like on mobile version. So moving on with the forms, you will find these forms over here, like inline model, slide in, sticky bar. So what is inline? Like if you go on any article website, and you are trying to scroll down, and you will find a form, like you need to sign in first to go further, like to read further. So this is what we are looking at right now. You can just go inline with that. You can go on the whole page, like you can do nothing without, like you can scroll down without what do you say, logging, giving your like subscription. Slide in, sticky bar on the top. So these all are happening in this landing pages and forms. This is very important for like people usually use this, like a lot of people use this feature of ConvertKit tool. So because it's very easy to use and it's everything is customizable, so that's great. You can use send, like you can send an email to someone or your public feed, to your public feed. You can create multiple emails that are sent in order, like you can send that accordingly, like schedule. You can create email templates. I will show you right now. And obviously this is all about email, so this it shows like we can do also email marketing through ConvertKit. So you will find here like email templates, new email templates. When you click on it, you will find multiple email template over here, or you can just customize HTML. I'm not going in further because it's very long process. You can just like choose a template and start writing it. Obviously everything is editable in also trial version, so there's no worry about that. You just need to go and explore it by yourself. Believe me, it will be very exciting to explore it by yourself, especially in ConvertKit. So after that, we go at automate, and you can see that we can set visual automation for our audience. We can set integration with our ConvertKit account. Like we can add multiple other apps to our account, ConvertKit account. If rule, like if this happened, so what should happen next? So we can we can set that automate, like if someone is going to click this subscribe button, what he will receive and what message he will receive. We can just do that over here. Auto magically generate emails or digest when RSS feed updates. So this is all very customizable, and obviously you can use every single one of them in trial mode. Just remember that, because most of websites don't allow you to do that, and they are allowing you to do that like in a free trial. So this is very huge, like very huge for this company to allowing us to get access to. You can earn, obviously, like sell digital products, content subscriptions directly to your content audience, sorry, and see a breakdown of all payout you've received. So as you can see here in these two lines, you can see like they are giving a lot of information in just two lines. We know what this purpose will do, we know what this will do, we know what this will do. How? Like just reading two short lines, we know that, like sell digital products and content subscription directly to your audience. This is very minimal way to describe like what this option will be going to do. So you can also learn from, like, read the documentation from helpful articles. They will provide articles, tutorials, and you can ask questions to your community, create a university. So this is all we have in ConvertKit, and this is a lot for trial purpose, because most of website doesn't allow you to do that. This is for the beginning tutorial, obviously, and I guess you guys understand what I've tried to say. And obviously I'm just going to show you right now the pricing of ConvertKit right now, and what price they are giving. So as you can see over here, these are pricing accordingly. How many email subscribers do you have right now? Like right now, how many you have? If you have none, just go none. Just go with that. So you can see we have the creator option over here. Obviously we might don't see like a lot of options in creator options also, but we were using free. So this is a lot. Like we can create unlimited forms, unlimited email sending, unlimited landing pages. So this is very, like, very good for a free purpose. So yeah, this is all you need to know about ConvertKit, and I hope you understand what I've tried to say. uh, you should go and log in just one day and go explore it to yourself. I'm sure you will love this website, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.